Hello everyone. Welcome to HCT Tech Services. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the no sound problem in Windows by installing the Realtek High Definition Audio Driver. As you can see, when I hover the mouse over the sound icon, it shows the message. No speakers or headphones are plugged in. This means the audio driver is missing or not working properly. To solve this issue, first I downloaded the required driver from my blog, HCT Easy Drivers. It's super simple. Just search HCT Easy Drivers on Google or use the link I've already given in the video description. Since I uploaded this driver recently, you'll see it right at the top of the blog. If not, no worries. Just type Realtek High Definition Driver in the blog search bar. Once the post opens, simply scroll down and hit the download button. Your download will start in a few seconds. After downloading, I extracted the zip file. Before installing the driver, I created a system restore point. This is very important because if anything goes wrong, you can easily restore your PC back to normal. Now, open Device Manager. Go to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click on High Definition Audio Device Update Driver. Browse to the folder where the driver is saved and install it. The installation completed successfully. After installation, I restarted the PC and checked the sound. Now, the sound is working perfectly without any errors. So this is how you can fix the no speakers or headphones are plugged in error in Windows by updating the Realtek High Definition Audio Driver. I have a complete playlist of driver installation tutorials on my channel. Don't forget to check it out for more solutions. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to HCT Tech.